Hey guys, Miasko here. So I did actually a skill tree for our production to be more game-alike, where we can check naturally what is needed for our game and also naturally progress with the tutorials, of course, on your learning curve. Okay, so I made the sectors. So we haven't done things or lessons yet. I've showed the plugins on the graph and also what is in development and saved feature. What if the feature is saved by the save system? Yeah, okay, that is important because we can go through if we will not save that particular feature. So let's check it how it looks. So I marked the lessons and the commands here. If you like to get access to that or make your own, make your account on Nuclino. Okay. Okay, Nuclino, right? So I can get access I can give access to you because you are not my team members. So this is great to have a premium account for Nuclino. So your support always will help to maybe I will get a premium and can give you access to that, and you will have more insights about that. Okay, so what we did in lessons is kind of wrap up. So yeah, MC Afterburner, Power in Editor, Insights, Commands, Shortcuts, Packaging, enabling Nanite, Nitro Preferences, Project Settings, Hide API to get max resolution for your output, Package Game. Okay, so we have a level map, we did anti-aliasing. Okay, let's change color. We did DLSS, also commands for DLSS. Okay, these are features about lightning. Okay, so we have word partition, static meshes, instance static meshes not packaged. And FastGeo will be probably in the future videos. I'm not 100% sure it's replicated on multiplayer, so this is why I didn't start with that feature yet. Okay. So we have terrain, thin textures, also there are materials and layers to optimization. Okay, so we have a PCG, foliage, hierarchy head generation, runtime on load, trees on load, and runtime grass and shrubs. Okay, work position offset and packing in the instances. I would like to recommend, of course, the plugin, but we'll see. Mesh pack static meshes, convert static meshes into instances when we don't have actually made for our level. So it package automatically in packaging state. So this is cool, cool stuff. But I know I would like to make it before because we need to check our interaction with the foliage. Okay, so probably we will do another thing, but we'll see. We also work with FastGeo mesh pack, so it's that speed up streaming system for assets and also for word partition. Okay, so what we have here, so as I said in previous video, menu map and also common UI and UI video settings, keybind settings. So we naturally need to make a game mode, take a game save system, of course. Yeah, we have here multiplayer, the plugins that we applied, and what is needed for the actually make them work. Okay, so this is cool stuff. As I said, our skill tree. What do you get in this project? So we're expanding, as you see, fast, really fast, and it will be more, of course, advanced, and you get a lot of more information about making a game. Okay, see you soon. Bye.